Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to talk about things to know about affiliate marketing. Alright, what are the things you need to know before you even get yourself involved into this affiliate marketing business model? Alright, my name is Karol. Again, I'm an affiliate marketer, so let's get straight into today's topic. So what is this affiliate marketing business model? What is it all about? First of all, in a very nutshell, affiliate marketing is a business where you, as an affiliate marketer, you sell and promote other people's products for a certain commission. Alright? Now, we will get back to the commissions, but let me just focus on what is affiliate marketing first of all. So, affiliate marketing, what it essentially does is, we have a traditional business model, okay? Where we have a company A who develops a product, a certain product. Now, apart from actually developing the product, they need to do all sorts of things about the product. They will need to handle the product, alright, ship the goods to the customer. They will need to deal with the customer service, potential refunds. They will need to deal with potential repairs and all of these things that happen pretty much after the sale or before or after the actual sale, alright? Now, apart from all of these things, obviously they will need to deal with also sales, right? They will need to sell the product as well, right? Because otherwise they will not do any business. So for that, they will even develop a dedicated sales department for the sales. So they will deal with the marketing stuff, they will deal with the maybe ads, okay? They will actually deal with the actual selling of the product. Now, this is the traditional business model. What affiliate marketing eventually does is it divides, alright, this traditional model into two parts, and each part is done by different individual. Now, the product creation and handling of the product is still done by the company, alright? They deal with the customer service, they deal with the product itself, they deal with the shipping and handling of the product, potential refunds and repairs. All of these things are done by the company. But on the other hand, the selling part is done by individual affiliate marketers, just like you and me, all right? And our job is to actually sell the product, market it, all right? Bring the sales in. We don't have to deal with the customer service, with refunds, with anything like that. That is all done by the company itself, all right? So the result is pretty much what I like to call a free win situation, win-win-win situation. We have a company, which is the first win, because they now can focus fully on making the product the best ever, all right? Making the purchase experience for the customer the best ever they can. On the other hand, we have affiliate marketers who can perfect their skills of selling and marketing of the stuff. And at the end of the day, we have a happy customer because he gets the perfect product and he was actually found by an affiliate marketer for this perfect product. All right? So that's affiliate marketing. Now, I mentioned a little bit about commissions. All right? So what are the actual commissions? What are the actual payouts you will get as an affiliate marketer? How does it actually work? So first of all, there are two different types of products we need to know, and therefore the commissions are also different for these two types. We have physical products and we have digital products, all right? Physical products are ranging with the commissions around 5 to 10%, maybe even 15% per sale, all right? That means you will get 15% from the selling price of the product, okay? Now, with the digital products, the commissions are ranging between 30 to 50%, all right? And sometimes you will even find products that offer you 75 to 100% commissions, all right? And yes, that is from the selling price. So if the product is worth $30, you will get $30 commissions, okay? Now, how does it actually work? With physical products, it's more or less about Amazon, okay? That's the biggest way or biggest platform where you can actually promote products from, okay? It's called Amazon Associates, and you can become an affiliate for Amazon products. And digital products, you will find affiliate networks. Now, how does it actually work when you sell the product? How do you know that you've made the sale? Well, first of all, we need to understand that affiliate marketing works with certain affiliate links, okay? Once you choose your product, you will generate your own specific affiliate link. This affiliate link is unique and special to you, which means nobody else has the exact same link as yourself. Therefore, if anybody buys from your specific link, the company will exactly know that the sale came from you, therefore the commission is going into your account straight away. Alright? Now, these links are actually trackable links, okay? They trace and track the actual doings of the customer, which means they don't necessarily, this customer doesn't necessarily need to buy straight away from your particular link, okay? They might click on the link, check the website, all right, and decide not to buy it at that specific moment. They close the window, they go and do something else, and then maybe in 2 weeks time, all right, or later, they go back and buy the product. You will still get the commission. These trackable links track pretty much how actually the customer got to this page, all right, to this selling page, the product itself. And if your link is the last one, then you will get the commission from it, all right? Now, with digital products, the tracking time is around 30 to 60 days, depending on the product, okay? So even if the customer clicked on the link 2 months ago, you will still get the commission. With physical products, I'm not sure, depending on which platform you use. With Amazon, it is 24 hours, all right? So we've covered the payouts. I hope it's all nice and clear. If not, just leave a comment down below and ask me. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. So what do we have so what are the actual advantages of affiliate marketing, all right? So let's put it this way, okay? We've talked about a bit of it, so let's just sum it up. There is no product creation for you as an affiliate marketer. You don't need to have a product of your own. You leverage other people's products and you promote and sell them, all right? There is no customer service. Again, you don't need to deal with all of that things that you would necessarily need to do when you have your own product, okay? There are low entry barriers into affiliate marketing. You can eventually start doing affiliate marketing from as low as $100, even lower than $100, okay? Some people can do it even for free, all right? You can even start for free, all right? I don't recommend it, all right? I do recommend investing into few deals, few tools and all of that stuff, all right? But you can start even for free, okay? So these are the advantages, and obviously the biggest one is that you work for yourself and you work from anywhere in the world, okay? You don't need to have a certain place where you need to stay. You can work from a cafe, you can work from a beach, you can work from your garden, you can work from wherever you want, from your bed, all right? So these are the top advantages of affiliate marketing. Now, the big question might be for you, all right, Karol, that sounds all nice and good, but what is the catch? What's the catch? What's the one negative? Why is it so? It just sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, the catch is that there is obviously a catch. Of course there is a catch. Everywhere is a catch. But the catch over here is that affiliate marketing is just a business, just like anything else. All right? Many people get into or are sold on this idea that affiliate marketing is some kind of a get-rich-quick scheme, all right? Where you can literally get rich in 2 weeks without any hard work or anything like that, all right? That you don't need to dedicate time on effort or anything like that. You don't need to do something different, all right? You can just click and drop and that's it, all right? Many people are sold on that idea, and that's why maybe they even start, all right? They do it for a week or two, maybe even a month or two, but then eventually they will quit because they're not getting the results they want, all right? But if you get into this with the mindset and with the idea that, okay, this is a regular business, this is just like anything else I would go to. If you go into an e-shop, it's the same, all right? If you build your own brick and mortar store, it's the same thing as affiliate marketing, all right? You will need to dedicate some time, some effort into it, put the hard work into it, okay? It's not only about hard work, okay? Don't get me wrong. Okay, it's not about only about hard work, but it is, you will need to do a few things, obviously. Okay, you will need to dedicate some time, you will need to, you know, change yourself, maybe your things that you do on a regular basis, okay, your activities, get maybe out of your comfort zone and all of that stuff. If you're willing to do that, all right, and if you're going into the mindset, with the mindset into affiliate marketing, okay, this is a regular business, I'm willing to dedicate the time and effort into it, then you will definitely succeed. I can guarantee you that. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get some aha moments that, okay, this is really powerful, Karol, this is something I really want to get involved in. It makes sense, and I am definitely someone who wants to dedicate the time and effort into it. Okay, you're not getting into this like a get rich quick scheme, but you want to dedicate your time and effort into it. If that's you and you want to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing, obviously more than in this short YouTube video, then I have a 4-day video series where I go literally from A to Z on how to build your affiliate marketing business, mainly all about digital products, okay, which gives you those high percentages of commissions. All right, if you're interested in that, it's completely free, you get full access to it. Okay, over the course of 4 days I will send you each day one video where I will tell you something more about a certain specific topic, okay, and all together it's going to add up together, and you will see exactly how to build your affiliate marketing business. So if you're interested in that, go ahead, grab it. It's the link in the description below, the first one. Go ahead. If so, I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine. I wish you all the best for the week, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys.